In this video, I will show you how to use Apify's web scraper. So to do this, first just head over to apify.com, and what I recommend you to do is to just browse their existing tools. So you can see all of them that they have, and you can filter by the most popular or what they are for. Now here are some of the most popular ones. So for example, an Instagram scraper, which lets you scrape and download Instagram posts, profiles, and more. Then you have a general website content crawler. So this helps you crawl websites and extract text content to feed AI models, LLM applications, and more. Now, for example, if you want to use one of these for e-commerce, they can click e-commerce, and they have Facebook, you have Amazon, and a bunch more right here. Now, for example, if I want to use the Instagram scraper, then I can just click on it right here. And then here you can click try for free. Now you can see you pay $2.30 per 1,000 results. Now we're just going to sign into your account, or if you don't have one yet, create your account with Google, GitHub, or email and password. Then it says welcome to Apify, just enter your name and username and then click continue. And then how do you plan to integrate Apify? So you can either use it manually, you can integrate it through API, you can use one of their no-code integrations, or you're not sure yet. Now in terms of integrations, you can see them on their website, so it integrates with Slack, Zapier, Make, Telegram, Asana, Gmail, and a bunch more tools that you can see right here. Now through Zapier, it integrates with over 6,000 apps, as you can see. Now for example, I will say use manually and click continue. So then you will get to the Apify dashboard. Now you will see I am in the Instagram scraper right now. This one has 5,600 monthly users, and again it's $2.30 per 1,000 results. So now to start using it, you can set it to manual or JSON. So for me, I'm just going to go with manual. Now you have some pre-made builds right here, which you can check out as well. So if you click on them, you can kind of see what it is, but this is not what I'm going to do. I'm going to go input right here and then manual. Then here enter a Instagram URL that you want to scrape. So you can add multiple if you want. Then what do you want to scrape from each page? So you could scrape posts, comments, details of a profile reels, or whatever else you'd like to. For example, I'll go comments and then the maximum amount of items and newer than, for example, I'll say the beginning of this month. Now you can also scrape based on a search query instead of a URL. And the run options right here, you can set the build to latest, you can set a timeout, memory, and the maximum charged results. Now I recommend setting a maximum because it will cost you per 1,000 results. So otherwise it could literally find millions of results and it would cost a lot of money. So I recommend setting a maximum limit. Then you can click save and start, and then it will start running. And you can see the results it's gotten, the requests, and the price that it will cost you, and how long it has taken so far. So as it's working, you can see the data showing up right here. So in this case, it only found 2 results right here. So then you can click export to results. You can also integrate it again with one of the tools that I showed earlier, such as Zapier, and then you can integrate it through there. But if you don't need this anymore, then you can also just click delete and then click delete, and then it will be removed. So you can see your previous runs with each kind of bot right here. Now if you want a different one, you can just go to the store, and then you can find a bunch of them, such as the Google Maps extractor, the website content crawler, TikTok data extractor, and then you can use all of those pretty much in the same way. And again, you already have these builds right here. Now here in your actors, you can see all of your previously used actors. So for example, here again, I have the Instagram scraper, which is a pay per result actor. Some of them are different. For example, the website content crawler, you can see you pay for usage. So you only pay for the Apify platform usage. So you can use this one to crawl general websites. What I recommend is just following this get started list right here. So here you can learn how actors boost your workflow. First, you need to set a scenario. For example, if you're a developer in a restaurant reviews and recommendation company, and you want to display the New York ramen restaurant reviews from Google Maps on your website, then you can extract that from Google Maps and then upload it onto your website. So then run the actor through the Apify console or through API, and then schedule the actor, and then integrate your data, and then finish. Now you can just watch these videos and they go into detail how every single step here works. But now you know the general things about what you can do with Apify and how you can get started using it. Now in development, you can even create your own actors if you'd like to. So you can use a code template to get started, you can link a Git repository, or you can push your code from a command line. So that concludes this Apify web scraping tutorial. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.